Hello, Jim Tech Buzz, new product in, and it's the IEsafy power bank, which consists of more than you might think. So we've got a 26,800 milliamp power bank built in, solar powered bank as well, 4 foldable solar panels, high speed charging ports for tablets and phones, which of course are compatible with any phone that you might have, and you've got a waterproof LED flashlight as well, and some other extra bits. So we're going to open up and show you what it's all about. So it's a nice weighty product. So in here you're going to get a user guide here. You also get your USB-A and micro USB cable, which is a bit behind, and you get this handy compass built in as well, so you won't get lost. Whether that works now, I do not know. So here is the product here. Whoops, it's easy. And it looks like basically a phone or a case or a leather folio case for a phone, and it's really rugged and built really well. So you can stick on your lanyard strap there if you want with your carabiner, and away you go. So up on top here you've got push and USB, so you'll open up this port here, and inside you see you've got 2 USB-As and 1 micro USB port, and you've got a power button on the side here and a leather covering up on the front, and you open up so, like so, you have got your solar panel, and you can see there it's already affected by the lights that we have, and you can see that it's charging just because of the lights I have shining on it, which is super cool. So a test: turns off, light on. So that is super cool, and that's how it basically works. So you can charge this while you're out on the go. You can place it on a mat or the beach if you're going for a concert, which a lot are coming up. Just leave it open and let it do its job. It's an excellent idea, really cool, and I've just proven to you there that it works by opening up all the panels, as you can see right there in front of your eyes. Excellent idea. So it's got a solar panel here as well as the other 3 there. It's a rubberized finish and it's really built strong, as you can see there, and that's basically what's going to happen. So what we're going to do is show you in action charging our devices, but I'm really impressed with how it goes and how it works, and I didn't expect it to work too well off the lights in here or light or view table, but it surely does. And you can see there that it's charging up all by itself, which is excellent. So we're going to plug in some devices next and show you what else we get on top of this, what you see here. So when you charge it all up all together, you charge it up here via its micro USB port inside, and you got a chance to charge 2 devices at once with fast charge. Not only that, you also get a light on the back. So what we're going to do is just turn off this light here. So you have got a powerful light there, which is quite handy, as you can see, with the lights off. And you've got 3 modes. You've flashing, SOS and standard. So you just press this button once for each time. And that's basically how it's going to work with the flashlight on the back, and that to give you an idea. So what's next is then we're going to put in 2 phones just to show you that it is charging and it works fine. So we're going to put in a right phone first, charging, and another phone, 71% charged. So you can see there that it's charging quite well, 2 devices, and it's fast charging as well. So you have all that to consider here alongside what you're getting. So you have a portable power bank here which has got a big battery storage, and you've got waterproofing, the whole lot. You can charge tablets as well. So 26,800 milliamp hours, and of course not forgetting the solar charge when you're out, so you don't have to worry about plugging it in. For example, if you're out, you just have to open her up like so and let the charging commence, as you can see right there. So that's it. We'll drop a link below to where you can pick her up. It's a pretty simple piece of kit, really nice, and it's going to run you about 70 or 80 quid. So it's well worth it, considering you don't have to have so much battery anxiety, as you can just open these and let it charge up while you're out and about, and not run out of juice yourself at the same time. So you can charge your phones, your tablets, wherever the case may be. Job is done. It's waterproof. You can bring her anywhere. You can even leave this in your bag and let the cable hang out and charge your phone if you like as well. And that's basically it and how it works. And you get this little compass as well, and it folds up nicely into this little pack here, which I think is really nice as well. And that's about it for now. Thanks for watching. We'll drop a link below where you can pick it up and check out some more if you want to do so. That's the iEsafy power bank with solar powered. There is a couple of different brand names running under the same thing here, but we'll leave a link to exactly where you can get this one here, and you can also see what else they have on offer on the site too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.